Hello and a very warm welcome. I am Ruchi Sharma. Virtual digital assets or VDA markets were struck in sideways grind amid little or no trigger to break the shackles. Bitcoin traded firm below $29,500 levels. IC15 index of cryptocurrencies was trading down by 0.2% at 38,760 points. In an interesting piece of news, the Argentine Agency for Access to Public Information has recently launched an investigation into the privacy concerns involved in the cryptocurrency project WorldCoin. The investigation will focus on whether WorldCoin is complying with Argentine privacy laws, reports mentioned. Sam Altman's project is facing stiff resistance. According to data from Dune Analytics, following the launch of Base network on Coinbase, the daily active users has surged more than 100,000 for the first time. Meanwhile, Crypto2Rank revealed that Base now ranks fourth in the race in daily transactions per second among Layer 2 solutions, just behind ZK Sync Era, Arbitrum and Optimism. A technical glitch at Gemini Exchange has turned Ripple XRP to $1 trillion token, albeit momentarily grabbing investors' attention. However, the glitch was taken care of and the price stabilized at around $1.1. The global cryptocurrency market cap was at $1.17 trillion mark, dropping 0.3% in the last 24 hours. However, the total trading volume decreased about 17% to $25.4 billion. Since the introduction of its initial native DeFi protocols in early 2022, the decentralized blockchain Cardano has increased its visibility within the DeFi ecosystem. According to data from DeFi Llama, Cardano's TVL in DeFi reached an all-time high. Meanwhile, the market is awaiting news on spot Bitcoin ETF approval from the SEC. On the other hand, lack of new retail participation in the market is hurting prices. The Bank for International Settlements and the fourth largest cryptocurrency XRP recently launched a task group for cross-border payments, interoperability and extension. BIS plans to enhance cross-border payments by improving access, extending operating hours, and creating links between systems. Ripple, along with MasterCard and Swift, will collaborate to achieve this goal. US stock futures dropped as investors focused on wholesale price data and mulled over July's consumer inflation report. Futures linked to the Dow Jones Industrial Average fell 5 points, S&P 500 futures and Nasdaq 100 futures jumped 0.04% and 0.09% respectively. Bitcoin was trading at $29,360, down 0.6%. Ethereum, the second largest crypto, was down by 0.3%, trading at $1,846. BNB was down by 0.7% to trade at $240.4. Solana SOL was down 0.1% and was trading at $24.4. Cardano's ADA token was down by 1% to trade at $0.29. Avalanche AVAX was trading at $12.5, lower 0.5%. Polygon Matic was trading down by 1.4% to trade at $0.68. Doge, the popular meme coin, was trading down by 0.1% at $0.075. Polkadot was down by 0.4% to trade at $5. However, Shiba Inu was trading up by 2.7%. Ripple's XRP token traded at $0.63, up by 0.1%. Now let's cut across to our expert to know his views on the global cryptocurrency market.
Cryptos are quoting mixed today after cooler than expected US CPI prints lowered further rate hike prospect. Now this shifts the pendulum in favor of other risky assets such as equities. Talking about Bitcoin, Ether, they have been moving in the narrow range, barely managing to cross their recent highs. Less retail participation has really impacted the volume. This, I think, can boost the prospects of derivative products such as spot BTC and ETF. Now, as far as chart indicators are concerned, there's major indicators that the MACD, that is the Moving Averages Conversion Diversion, or RSI, that is the Relative Strength Indicator, are firmly placed with positive to neutral outlook in the near term. Bitcoin volumes have plunged while the price has dipped below short-term 50-day simple moving average, emphasizing the prevailing bearish sentiment. Ethereum prices are also correcting lately and has struggled to maintain above crucial level of $1,885. Prices may retrace lower before reversing the current trend.
Thank you so much for your views. This is me, Ruchi Sharma, signing off. Do like, share and subscribe to 3.0 and for more information and stories, log on to our website www.3wordstv.io or scan the QR code.
3.0 TV, stay connected with the world of blockchain.
Stay up to date with infinite world of NFTs.
Come explore and evolve with 3.0 TV in the Metaverse.
So many coins, so much volatility. 3.0 TV delivers the news that matters.
In the Metaverse, users can engage in real time while participating in simulated settings and exchanging experiences. By expanding at a compound annual growth rate of 33% between 2020 and 2030, it is anticipated to produce $627 billion in sales. All facets of contemporary combat, including instructions and learning, supplies, planning, command and control, and frontline service, could benefit from the use of the Metaverse. Global Data, a data analytics company, claims that as a result, militaries all around the Asia-Pacific area are implementing Metaverse-based technologies to assist in their operations. The People's Liberation Army of China, the Singaporean Air Force, and the Korean Air Force, among other forces operating in the APAC region, have all engaged in Metaverse-based projects. According to Global Data's most recent research, the Metaverse in defense, armed forces throughout the world are being driven to modernize as a result of the Russian invasion of Ukraine and the escalating tensions over Taiwan. They are looking for innovative methods to organize and operate in both conventional and non-conventional conflicts. The Metaverse is being incorporated into China, Singapore, and South Korea's military plans. Prestige Group, a real estate developer, has teamed up with Prop VR, Square Yard's 3D visualization division to launch and 3D model upcoming luxury buildings inside the Metaverse's virtual environment. Sundar Jagannathan, co-founder of Prop VR, confirmed the revelations to Money Control while speaking on the sidelines of the August 9 event, Digital Transformation in Real Estate, sponsored by Square Yards in Bengaluru, but he noted that the advancements are still in the early stages. Speaking at the occasion, Jagannathan said that the use of virtual reality has aided many non-resident Indians home buyers and that the company had seen a 30 to 40% increase in sales following the use of the technology. In a paper predicting the enormous economic potential of the Metaverse, leading global management consultant Bain & Company predicted that its worth might increase to $900 billion by 2030. But according to the research, the Metaverse might continue to exist in a seed state for the next 5 to 10 years. Possible Metaverse, the Bain paper, taking the hyperbole out of the Metaverse, looks at how the Metaverse is changing and the potential it offers to organizations. It emphasizes how important it is to get involved early in the Metaverse's growth, especially during its formative seed stage, in order to gain a competitive advantage. According to the article, as the Metaverse develops, there will probably be a number of platforms rather than just one large one. While smaller Metaverse-like environments will try to increase their user number, established platforms with sizable user bases may advance towards deeper levels of immersion. As private corporations try to make a profit of their investments, it is projected that these many virtual worlds would operate autonomously and protect their data sets.